What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Whitestone Dome's tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Apple Watch Series 7. This is the 45mm edition. Now, Whitestone does make a whole bunch of other screen protectors for other watches and phones, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check that out yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. Now, like I said before, this is a tempered glass screen protector that does use a liquid adhesive to keep the screen protector on your watch. We will be going over the full installation, so you'll see how everything works, and we'll see what the final result is after I've finished putting the screen protector on. So first, let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. Okay, so here it looks like we have a little absorbing pad. Here we have a couple screen protectors. Here we have our little tray for the installation, and we have a couple vials of liquid, and here's our installation packet. Now it also comes with a UV light that does use USB type A for power, so before you begin this process, find either a power bank or a wall adapter that you can plug this into that's close by. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to get your watch, take off the bands, and make sure that the watch is turned off. Next, you're going to want to get your installation tray. Notice the blue tape, and then there's a little crown cut out right here, so just make sure that the blue tape is facing to your right. And then we're going to take our watch with the crown and just kind of press it in to the tray here, just like that. Then we're going to take one of our alcohol wipes, and we're going to clean off the face of the watch. Next, you're going to get your little drying cloth and make sure that the front of the watch is all dried off. Now, if you see any dust on here, you can go ahead and take your dust stickers and get off any dust that you see. Okay, next you're going to want to take the adhesive pad and we're going to place it over your watch just like that. It should fit exactly into place, and it's not an equal square, so you'll know if it doesn't fit or not, but make sure that it goes a long way this way. Then we're going to take the other piece of our tray here. As you can see, the little cutout is going to go towards the blue sticker here, and we're just going to place that on top and then just press that into place. Next, you're going to want to take this little piece of cardboard here. As you can see, there is a little slit that's covered, that's cut out into it. We're going to place the slit in between the little blue tape here, and then we're going to press that in between the little channel here. Make sure you press it all the way forward to where this back here touches the back plastic. Okay, so once that's in place, you're going to go ahead and take one of your vials of adhesive. Very important, you're going to want to hold this upright and undo the top white cap. Then you're going to turn it upside down. Make sure that the tip of this makes contact with the top of the watch, and then undo the black portion. Make sure that the little adhesive glob is towards the top middle of the watch. And then you might want to have maybe a paper towel or something handy just in case you get some of this stuff put in places you don't want. Okay, so there we have our glob of adhesive. Next thing you're going to want to do is to take your screen protector. We're going to peel off the little portion here on the underside and then very carefully put in one end down here first and then let the other end rest onto the cardboard here. Just like that. Then make sure that the little glob of adhesive is kind of in the middle and you can kind of manipulate it. Once you've done that, we're going to press down on the bottom here and it's going to tilt this to the left. The little glob of adhesive is going to touch the screen, and as soon as that happens, we're going to pull away the little cardboard here. Now I'd say maybe give it a couple minutes just so the adhesive has a chance to totally get everywhere on the screen and touch all of the tempered glass. It's very important for the adhesive to especially get down in the corners of the screen. As you can see, the bottom left-hand corner on mine, it doesn't look like there's a very small portion that doesn't have adhesive touching on it. There's really not a lot you can do except for kind of wait it out and let the adhesive flow across the whole screen, and hopefully it'll get to that little corner. Make sure you do not press or move the screen protector, because if you do, the liquid adhesive can get all over the place. So now once you've waited a couple minutes for all the adhesive to go everywhere, you're going to take your UV light. We're going to place it directly over the watch, just like that. I have my power bank all ready to go here. So we're going to let it cure for 15 seconds. All you need to do is press in the button once. It'll automatically turn off by itself. So once that's all cured, we're going to go ahead and remove the top tray. Just kind of put your finger on each side and lift up. And the whole thing just comes out like that. We'll put that off to the side. Then we're going to take out our watch. You're going to press up from the bottom. There is a little hole. Just pop that out. Then we're going to take our little alcohol wipe and we're going to gently clean around the watch to get rid of any extra adhesive. As you can see, there is a little bit right there that we're going to get rid of here. Make sure none of the adhesive has gone underneath the watch. Everything looks good. Once you're happy with how clean the watch is, we're going to go ahead and cure the watch again for 60 seconds. So then again, we're going to take our UV light. We're going to place it directly over our watch, and we're going to set it for 60 seconds this time. So if you double press on the button here, it will stay on for 60 seconds. So we're all done with that. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the watch here. Go ahead and wipe it down a little bit. I think that came out pretty good. I mean, you really don't even almost see that there is a screen protector on there. It's nice and smooth, feels just like the glass that's on there, and it pretty much covers the whole front face of the watch. It just leaves a little bit of edge of the watch face. We'll go ahead and turn it on and see if it does affect the screen at all. So it does look like it covers exactly the whole screen here. It doesn't look like it affects any of the viewing, which is awesome. Touch works exactly the way that it did when the phone didn't have a screen protector on it. You can go ahead and swipe up and down. Everything works really well. It feels nice and smooth. Like I said, it feels just like the glass that's actually on the watch. Now, I wouldn't recommend you put something on here that pushes down on top of the screen, because it might push some of the screen protector up and loosen the adhesive. But if you have something that kind of just rests over it, maybe like a bumper or something like that, I think you should be okay. But I would probably just be very careful about putting things that put pressure on the top of the screen. Like I said, it covers pretty much the whole front of the watch, so you don't have to worry about anything scratching up the actual watch screen, but you just have to worry about the edges of the watch instead. But that's what it looks like. As you can see, it just puts a little bit of extra glass on the top there. Very nice, very clear. Touch works perfect. Very nice. I would definitely recommend this screen protector if you want to protect your watch without having to put a whole bunch of extra things on it. I did have a film screen protector on here prior, which definitely helps with scratches, but if you happen to hit your watch against something, you can still damage the screen. But with the tempered glass screen protector on there, you're pretty much covered from scratches and accidental taps of the screen on something. Again, that is Whitestone Dome's tempered glass screen protector for the Apple Watch Series 7. This is the 45mm. I will be putting a link in the description for this and their website in case you guys want to check out all the other things they have. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.